Showing you how to hook up your 3-point parts to the back of your tractor. First of all, some of them, a lot of the older tractors have this kind of style for the sway link, but the newer ones have this, so they hook up pretty much the same exact way. The only differences are where it hooks up right here. As you can see, this wouldn't hook up there. So if your tractor's got this, then you're gonna have a bit of a difference, but it's pretty much the same stuff. So first of all, you just want to make sure that you've got your 3-point arms going the right way, because a lot of times people will try and hook them up like this, or on the other side, you know, like that. But basically, you're going to have a little hoop right here where you can store a linchpin, and that's going to go on the outside and to the front. And then also another way you can tell is just by looking at the bend here and here. And this is gonna go like that. And then you can see that this kind of makes sense the way this is bent to, you know, hook up to your implement. If you had it the other way around, like this, it just doesn't really look right, you know. So, hook this one up. Linchpin here. And that's how that goes. We'll hook up the other one just for... And that's pretty much it. And then for your top link, pretty simple. Just hook it up. Then you got a little holder there. And that's about it.